Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. Welcome aboard this brand new, beautiful 33 Outrage Boston Whaler. I'll tell you, this thing is magnificent. Tons of room in the front, very comfortable. The table drops down and has a filler so you can have a cushion there. Give you plenty of room for laying out or for standing on with the cushions removed to fish. Boat has a great big area on the front of the console as a sun lounger. This particular boat's equipped with Marine radar. It does have the side fishing chairs that fold out. As you can see here on the side, they're folded up at the moment. Inside the console, lots of room, nice marine head, sink, plenty of storage, very well configured. Boat's powered with twin 300 Mercuries. I'll tell you, super fuel efficient, fast, runs great. Has a dive door. And that's really nice when you're hanging out at the sandbar or fishing, bringing in that big fish through the side rather than over the transom. Aft facing seat set up, and it does fold down with the workstation table on it. The helm of this boat, absolutely incredible. Marine VHF, twin Marine screens, GPS fish finder. Boat has active trim, Mercury joystick setup, spotlight, incredible sounding stereo, and it's very, very comfortable in this seating configuration. The seats fold up so you can stand with a bolster behind you, or it drops down very comfortable with an armrest. I'll tell you, you got to get out and ride on this thing. That's what's amazing about Boston Whaler. Every time they design a new boat, it's from a clean piece of paper. They take everything they've learned and make it that much better. And I'll tell you what, this thing is awesome. Please feel free to give me a call. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. And I'll be glad to get you out for a ride. Have a great day and thank you for your time.